lines. Forensic science and medical legal services are very essential for establishment of facts to punish criminals, says Deputy Chief Minister. Hello and welcome to ISTV English News. Now the news in detail. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam said forensic science and medical legal services are becoming very crucial to stop the ever-increasing crimes in the state. He said this during the inaugural of the Continuing Medical Education CME program on investigation of rape, a multidisciplinary approach organized by Forensic Department of Jenims held at the auditorium of Jenims today. He stresses the need that such kind of program should be organized with the presence of many civil society organizations and the general masses to disseminate the thorough information. With the pace of development, crimes against women and children seems to be increasing at par. He emphasized that if the ever-increasing crimes against women and children are not put to an end, there is a fear arising in mind that the society may degrade and vanish. So it is the need of the hour that the general masses should join hands in culminating the crimes. Organizing such kind of awareness program has become very important to aware the people, he said. On the other hand, the state government has been trying hard to develop the forensic laboratory. Unified effort of forensic experts, police and legal personnel is needed to completely eradicate the ever-increasing crimes, he added.
Government side issue, Masiyamna, Tuna, Kanaki, forensics laboratory, I say, upgrade to them, honorary, Madu, upgrade to Voluna, forensic science, Mating, Lauraga, investigations of the police officers in investigations of Smukodu, Yamna, Kanato Gadaba, Upai Ugadaba, Ojikti, Sasit Toba, Kayawi, Kayawre. As in terms of hundreds and thousands of rape case, Mayama Pakalaga Sasit Toba Sing Share, Masuzik, Watli Hadana, Mayam, Habiduni, Adobo, in the recent past, Yanin Kay, investigation team that Tanna Togat Pidana, officers in Su, Parayamna, Kanagi, Sasit Todana, conviction people, Yaure, Maduna, hectometric percentage, Madu Yam Wang, but not three. Madu Punamak Ado, Tabak on a Pankapada. Adugumba criminals in a shubu, Maran Matungina, conviction Pinanava, Aikwe, Kanu Najari.
Director of Jenims, Dr. Diben Lashram, ex-director of AIMS, who is also Pro-VC of SGT College of Medical Sciences, Gurgaon, Professor T.D. Dogra, Chairman of the Organizing Committee, Professor L. Fimate, Secretary, Dr. Gangmai Angam were present as a main guest. Professor Dr. Diben Lashram said some crimes are kept without disclosing with the fear of social stigma. This is not a right step. Instead, those involved in such crimes should be detected and given punitive punishment as per law of the land, he added. Principal Investigator of the State Disease Investigation Laboratory, Dr. N.G. Ibotombi, clarified that the mass death and infection of pigs at Moray is caused by a virus called classical swine fever. Speaking to media persons, he further stated that at present mass vaccination to prevent from the viral is continuing. Precautionary measures to restrain from spreading the disease to other pigs are also taken up, he said.
Classical swine fever Anaba, Oak the Yana Tuna Naganba, Clavy virus, Natonba, Adumana, Mani Hibs, Japana Campamtore, and a Hokiba, Mari Mangani Tiki, Manusida, Havelena Sinamaram Odana, from Sita Zorna, or could be Maya Sika, having a report for me, Adu Hoji, Anava Tramoto lady, and Makatan Havelena see Sanotanaba, Equina, during vaccination program, Mama, National Tegi Hoda, could be lady about auction, say, the data to wait about Togani. I belena si Manipurki from Mayamasu Damatona dum, Tokan Balenani, the Lena si Okulu everybody, I belena si when you told the tongue about the Belena Matalan. ana matam chana te ka kapro hai basida o sigi lena si kalena bu amto ngare upa adan hoyi chu ka fam sidagi makata na sando kudena ba hakko da laga boxing se ring vaccination si ka laga ikona yam thana lena si control ko lo
Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam stated that ILP bills which is acceptable by civil society organizations and people should be introduced. If not, there would not be any difference from the previous one which the centre had not given assent. Replying to questions raised by the media persons, Deputy Chief Minister said if people agreed proposal may be sent to the Speaker to hold the Assembly session earlier instead of September 21. Gai Khangam appealed to the people not to get carried away in emotions with regard to the proposed bill draft by JCILPS, as the government is making effort to pass a bill which is beneficial to the people of both hill and valley people by taking experts' advice. The new bill can be passed before September 21 as demanded by JCILPS if a bill draft acceptable to all is ready in time.
No, can JCILP so Moki drop of the Motipuna to Mayama, Yamin Jarabra, say, opinion do settle in the Changada. Sakana, Toiba, JCIP, Toiba, Adumayam, so Yamin Narvai, Adu Horan Mayandu, Yamin never put with the Modu Peritoka, apprehension with the Adu Modu Tuni Yamin Yarabadi, 21 September Nairo have. I don't know. Whatever they put over what say practical over or took me about what I'm going to see Hyderabad.
Secretary of Upokpi Development Committee M. Premchand categorically informed that the allegation made by the BJP Bishnupur Mandal that the amount sanctioned for construction of Tidim Road to Upokpi has been allegedly withdrawn without doing construction properly is totally wrong and baseless. To show the evidence that the construction was taken up, the committee even dug up some portion of the road in the presence of media persons and proved that the allegation leveled against him was wrong. He appealed to the BJP Bishnupur Mandal and people of the area not to spread rumor in future.
Madan Sibiriba Bishnupur Mandal BJP Amadi Kai Levi Mayamna Koi Masi Yaring Matung the Pam Yao of Tabaxi or Pamasingami the Committee Makati Hananatam.
While inspecting the condition of the road, member of Ward number 10, Ranjana said the construction of road taken up is for the welfare of the people. Comparing the situation of the road with the past and the present, there is a sea change. She added that without thorough knowledge, people should not try to pinpoint mistakes and make wrong allegations.
Samasa, ma'am, Ladam Basisu, Akogi Hariba, Development Committee, Hariba, Asinasu, Lambisinja, Asiki Santi, Yang, Semre, Lona Twangre, Asida, Hoji, Koilamang, Natragasu, Hojiki, Aina, Oina, Hijaning Badi, Asidajida, Moina Lambi, Sembi, De, Haina, Moina Badanam, Sida Ibase, Aigi Motadi, Janing De, Yaning the Bagi Madam D, Koila. The
mortal remains of Tongbram Suresh, a student of residential Kids Care School Langol, whose body was kept at Rims Mortuary, was picked up by the family members to perform his last rites at Taupokpi Kuna Ward number 2 today. The family members decided to take his body following the assurance made by the government that the demands made by JC formed against the death of Suresh will be translated into action at the earliest. JC, people of Taupokpi, SDP of Bishnupur district and OC were also present in receiving the body, it is reported. Wan Renbong Saka, ages 60 years, a resident of Palil Lamkai in Tengnopal Assembly constituency in Chandal district, has been remaining bedridden since June this year as she could not incur the medical expenses. On the other hand, her husband, who was the lone breadwinner of the family, used to make baskets locally known as tumok and manage the family. However, after a massive BP stroke, he remained bedridden as he could neither work nor get medical treatment. Acknowledging such pitiable condition, they drew the attention of the Janims director and the authority concerned to get them medical treatment.
ko imungi shakti kari su pangan kari su lai su nena sarkar digi khara mateng si PB na ba PBO hai ba si aina khallega lai bani hai jo hai bi su hai ningi.
A woman of the area expressed that the villagers are extending assistance to the bereaved family so far.
जो उपाय क्रीम तलेते गवर्नमेंट सर्विस है सो मत में याद बनेना अदोन मोस याम वारे सरकार मिनिस्टर मियामना असिबु मिजेंग चंगबिदुना अमुक तंगदी ईश्वरगी मिंगदा हिंहनबियु.
On the other hand, Ren Bong, who is remaining bedridden, said that she has no other men stand to suffer. She drew the attention of the authority concerned of Janims to give her medical facility.
अखोना क्रीस उपाय लेतबा अनो हजिदो मखोना उपाय से खंगा उपाय से गावरे.
Deadlines once again. Forensic science and medical legal services are very essential for establishment of facts to punish criminals, says Deputy Chief Minister. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.